External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar took a strong stand against terrorism at the United Nations Security Council open debate. Reiterating India's stand against terrorism, the minister said, and I quote, "Terrorists are terrorists. They are no good nor bad ones." Bringing you this report. Take a look.
Speaking at the United Nations Security Council open debate on international cooperation in combating terrorism, External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar said there must be no ifs and buts in the fight against terrorism.
India has always been at the forefront of global counter-terrorism efforts. In 1996, long before the adoption of Resolution 1373, India took the initiative to pilot the draft Comprehensive Convention on International Terrorism with the objective of providing a comprehensive legal framework to combating terrorism.
In a veiled attack on Pakistan, the minister said that there are countries guilty of aiding and supporting terrorism.
Linkages between terrorism and transnational organized crime must be fully recognized and addressed vigorously. We, in India, have seen the crime syndicate responsible for the 1993 Mumbai bomb blast not just given state protection, but actually enjoying five-star hospitality.
The minister's address is the first after India was granted a seat as a non-permanent member at the UNSC. India's 8th term in the council will last for 2 years. It is scheduled to chair 3 crucial committees, including the Taliban Sanctions Committee, the Counter-Terrorism Committee for 2022, and Libya Sanctions Committee. India has reiterated that it will continue to strongly raise its voice against terrorism during its tenure at the UNSC. Bureau Report, Republic TV.